we learn our lesson so well. Bakit umiikot ang drugs? Bakit? Asa mo yung sources niyan? Kaya nga, kung nakikita mo, mas marami kaming nahuhuli. Because pinag-aaralan namin yung mga sources. Number one, mali yan. Ngayon, ang gusto ng presidente natin, we have to respect yung human rights, preserve yung human lives, no? And every time yung mga pulis natin, anong reason? Naglaban. Alam niyo ba yung naglaban? You have to may elements ng self-defense, diba? Unlawful aggression, that means you prevent and repel it, and the other one is, I forgot, ano ba yung pangatlo? Yung provocation should be, diba? Yung tatlo, before you satisfy, hindi pwede mauna yung provocation bago yung dapat meron unlawful aggression. 1, 2, 3. So yan ang sinusunod namin. It's illegal. That's what we exist. Kaya nga kami law enforcer, we have to enforce the law. Yun lang naman. Ito yung law natin. Ito yung ng elements ng self-defense. So kung yan, hindi self-defense yan, magkakakaso ka yan. Kakasuhan kita ng murder o homicide pag violate mo yan. Kaya wala kaming patayan. I don't believe on yung mabilisan na justice. We have to establish yung tamang intelligence. That's what our president said. Kasi kung anong ginagawa namin ngayon, dapat maayos yan. Kung di ko sisimulan ngayon, eto na naman tayo.